So guys, as you can see, there is how much traffic coming in my blog site. 5542, today 199, yesterday 298. So actually if you work hard you also can get, but working hard not important, working smart is very important. So what you can do, very simply, you just log in Quora, and after that just search any kind of topic, like tech, AI, any kind of crypto, any kind of topic search. Then you will see that how much engagement is uprising here. Like every question has how many answers, every question have so many answers. So you just find out the right question. How you can find out? See, in the filter section, go to first hour. So if you click on past hour, this is the very recent question. Okay, now if there is no answer already, anyone answered yet, so this is the best opportunity. Always try to less answer post, so you will get more impression if someone click on your blog. So what I'm going to do, I just make a prompt here. You need to just copy the prompt from this, just copy the prompt, and or you can make it by on your by ChatGPT. So just copy the prompt in ChatGPT and paste the question at the last. That's it. Everything will be ready automatically. Just see how it's actually going. Everything will be ready automatically. Here is the Quora question. I just written down in here and I just added the question in here. Now ChatGPT is making the answer for me. There is two answers will ChatGPT give me. One is for my blog, another is to answer in the Quora. So the blog part is the HTML part. This is ChatGPT has made and for me. So I am going to make a new post in my blog. See, very simple. And I'm going to copy those. I'm going to copy those. I mean this HTML code and paste it in here. That's very simple. And I need to add an image in here. Image, because you see any post you have, you add image, this got more visibility. So in the Google I just search the topic and or the person name related to this post and take any image that related. So see, if I take this image, I will not directly use or upload this. I will make a first address from this image. Okay, I will take an address from this image. Then in the blog post, come here and insert and by URL. Always use this method, because you know what, if you upload image, then your blog will be very high MB and it will take time to load. So see, let's see I preview how my blog is looking now. Okay, so see, this is my blog and it is almost ready, but there is two things need. One is title. I will give a title my blog, and another is ad copy. I will interrogate ad in my blog post. So first fix the title. Very simple, just paste the title section. In the title section paste the title and delete the, you can delete or keep it. Now update. Okay, I just now need to add the script of ad copy from the Adsterra. I already keep it in an Excel sheet. You have seen in my previous video how to copy and repeat all the script in a Google sheet. It is very simple. You just need to repeat it. Just copy and paste here and repeat it. So I am going to take almost 100 to 144. Okay, I am going to copy the 144 script, and these all are repeated script. And see, I am going to paste it in the very last section, like there, and enter and paste it here and update it. Okay, this is the actually main method. Then update it. Okay, so after update you can see if this all ready, you now go to Quora and click on the answer. Okay, now where you get the answer is ready. ChatGPT already made it for you. Go to ChatGPT and don't need here. Okay, go to ChatGPT now. Okay, see, there is second section. This is the Quora answer. I will add my blog post link with this answer. So this is the answer of the Quora question. So see, I pasted it here. Now I need to link to my blog post. So I just delete the existing ChatGPT demo URL link. Now I am copying my blog post URL and I will paste it in here. So after pasted, see, you can convert it in the link. So this is now looking very professional. Anyone who see the answer, he will definitely click on my link to see the full answer. See, this is the short answer and there is link and full answer. You can see your view also here. And this is very simple. So many view you will get after this topic. Many people answer. So see, or if this is this question you always, if this type of answer question you always do in Quora, you will get so many traffic in your blog. And as you can see, my blog have already getting so many views. I already using so many method. I have already sharing. See, there is so many method you can use. This is all international traffic in here. Quora have so many international traffic. You need to just paste your link here, paste your answer here with smartly. With I have already shown a method. With this method, you just need to paste the answer and you can get so many traffic in your blog. Definitely you will get. So see, now I am going to paste my answer in a movie post. So in a movie post, if I paste my answer, it will not irrelevant, it's relevant. See, this is very relevant link here. Okay, so the relevant post always get views. You have to answer smartly. You have ChatGPT and everything. Just use it with smart way and get so many traffic. Thank you guys. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.